In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to reset Netflix recommendations. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the My Netflix page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now here you're going to find various options. Click on the option account. Now scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Data Settings. Now click on this option Viewing Activity. Here you will see a complete list of all the movies and TV shows you have watched on your Netflix profile. If you only want to remove specific titles from your recommendations, simply tap the hide icon next to each movie or TV show. Netflix will gradually stop using those titles to recommend similar content. If you would rather start completely fresh, go all the way down. Now click on the option Hide All. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes, hide all my viewing activity. After you have hidden your viewing history, give Netflix a little time to process the changes. Then reopen the Netflix app. As Netflix rebuilds your profile, your home screen recommendations will begin to refresh based on your future viewing activity instead of your previous watch history. And that's it. This way you can easily reset Netflix recommendations. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.